Yo, can you believe it? This guy drove 3.2 million miles in his car. That's like traveling to the moon and back to Earth 7 times. How on earth did he manage that? The answer is simple, it's totally possible. Meet Mr. Irv Gordon, an ordinary middle school science teacher from Long Island, who is insanely passionate about driving. His magical journey began in 1966 when he purchased his brand new dream Volvo P1800 coupe. I can hardly contain my excitement to say that I am also a huge fan of this cherry red classic coupe. Back to the story. In just 21 years after he purchased his car, this Volvo odometer reached 1 million miles mark. Everyone is shocked, at the same time surprised, including Volvo itself. As a result, Volvo had been given a new 780 coupe to Jordan as a gift when he hit 1 million miles back in 1987. He put 450,000 miles on the clock before selling it. Everyone sees this as an insane record for any human to achieve in their lifetime, but what they can't even imagine in their wildest dreams is that this is just the beginning of his magical journey. In 2013, the whole world was absolutely stunned when Irv Gordon's Volvo odometer hit an incredible 3 million miles. At that time, he was 77 years old. The magnitude of his achievement became even more impressive when he received the Guinness World Record for the highest mileage ever driven by a single owner in a non-commercial vehicle. This stunning journey of impossible to possible, only lasted 50 years, until he sadly passed away in 2018. One last time, he shocked the entire world yet again when his mechanic and Volvo revealed the total expense of that car occurred during the 3 million magical journey. It was absolutely mind-blowing. According to the estimates, this Volvo P1800 drinks 6,400 tanks of gas. Not only that, it undergoes a total of 114 tire changes and freaking 734 oil changes. The P1800 engine is rebuilt in 2 times and gone under 2 times paint job. After all these, Irv Volvo P1800 has survived the original engine and the whole car he brought in 1966 remains sane. Currently his car is under Volvo ownership, and it will continue us to tell this incredible story of this extraordinary man's life.